Hi folks, it's Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We got another new arrival, a really popular car, a 2015 silver Chrysler 300S. So it has these 300S graphite 20-inch wheels. They're painted graphite and a 3.6 liter Penta engine. So that gets 28 miles on the highway and it's very powerful. You're talking in terms of 290 horsepower. It's got the Chrysler black mush grille and lower accents, deep tinted glass, front window, rear window, supplemental turn signals, passive key entry, remote start. It's got the panoramic sunroof, navigation, the Beats stereo, that's an option. It's got the premium package that gives you the panoramic sunroof, the Beats stereo, rear park assist, and we'll pan around the front here and then go to the back seat, which is, it's got premium black leather, heated seats. There's your panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. It'll open it. Rear air and heat vents. Panning to the driver's side. Beautiful car. 124,000 miles. We have it for $13,988. And of course, you can visit the website, mrcsautomart.com, or call me directly, 708-473-2014. Let's get to the inside. 10-way power seats with lumbar on both sides. Again, the Beats stereo. There's your miles, your Uconnect radio, your navigation, rear park assist, heated seats, and here's your power sunshade if we get over here. Panoramic roof. Rear skylight. Pretty sharp. Call me. This is Ed. Thanks.